Here with the California League of Food Processors show with Alan Stender from Atlas Pacific. They do apple peeler slicer cores, and also they work with peaches, among other things. Tell us about, you mentioned the kind of unique relationship you have with processors as far as leasing.
Yeah, we only lease our equipment. We have been for well over 50 years. Not only do we lease, but we service everything that we sell. So it's a rental agreement with all the parts, service, engineering, support, application engineering, behind the scenes.
What was it that kind of got that part of the business going, the leasing idea?
Del Monte was our first customer, and they couldn't afford the machine that we had designed and built as far as a capital purchase, so they rented it. And we went on a year-by-year, summer-by-summer basis, re-renting a pear peeler, and we brought it back to the shop and redesigned certain components to make it better every winter, and we overhauled it, put it back in the field the next summer, and did that several years in a row, and pretty soon we got 3, 5, 10-year contracts to basically do the same thing over and over.
Now, about how many machines do you reckon you guys have in California?
800.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
You mentioned apples earlier. If I'm eating an apple?
Every apple slice that you eat in a fast food chain, IQF frozen, or a can is been peeled, cored, seed celled, and sliced off one of our machines on the West Coast or throughout the U.S. or world even.
Now, what you mentioned that during the winter time, basically you look at each machine. Can it be tinkered with? Can it be improved? What's the significance of going back in each winter to see if you can make it a little more efficient?
Well, we stick to what we know. It's kind of boring, but that's all we do. And so we grind out, we have computer systems that tell us exactly down to the 10th of a percent the performance of each machine throughout the season, and we're able to tweak, if you will, that performance every year. So we know if we're off a 10th of a percent on a particular rework or spoon percentage, feed efficiency type thing, then we're able to go back and say, okay, how can we make that just a little bit better?
Okay.
And so that's what we focus on every winter. We get our service guys and our engineers in a room. We lock them in the room for about 2 or 3 days, and we hash out every nut and bolt that didn't work or worked well, and how we should improve things. And it's a great collaboration of minds that are just stuck with peach pitting and apple peeling.
Well, I can appreciate the attention to detail and focus on a couple of commodities as well. Well, thank you very much for your time. Like I said, it was Alan Stender from Atlas Pacific at the California League of Food Processors show. Thank you, Alan.
Thank you.